Hi, this is Jeff Davidson, social studies teacher at Clinton High School, and this tutorial is designed to show you ways in which you can use the Google Documents feature of Google Docs into your daily instructions. So I'm going to come back to my Google Docs homepage, and on the left here I'm going to go to Create, and I'm going to click on Document. Now, as you can see, it'll give me a blank document, and it almost looks exactly the same way that you're going to see with a regular Word document. You got some of the same features up here with File, Edit, View, Insert, etc. You can change text. I'm going to change mine to Times New Roman. Change font to 12, and then you have the same features, bold, and your alignment features over here on the side. So you're going to type like you would normally type into a document. So I'm going to say welcome to Google Docs, and there you go. Now, one of the features that makes Google Docs unique and good to use in a classroom is that you can type on this document, or 5 or 6 people you're sharing this document with can type on here at the same time from different locations, as long as you have added them to your share list. And that'll be indicated up here in the corner. You'll have different colored blocks that represent the different people that are up here, so people can be on here at the same time. If you're working on the same document but you're not on here simultaneously, you can still leave comments or links concerning something about the document. So let's say I wanted to comment on this first sentence. I would highlight it, right click, and hit comment. And out to the side, it allows me to comment on this sentence or this statement. And I'm going to say this is neat. Comment, and there you go. Now later on, somebody in your group can jump in here and click on my comment and add something to it by typing it in and hitting reply. Okay? And this will be up here through the duration. If you've got numerous people working on your document at the same time, you can do a live chat, and like I said earlier, there'll be a link up here at the top that with the group members that are currently on this page, and you can click on that link and a chat box or a chat stream will show up where you can do live chat while you're working on your document. So it's a fantastic way for groups of students to work together if they've been assigned a paper or a project and they don't have the means to meet at the library or meet at somebody's house. They can still do the same things from their own home by collaborating online through Google Docs. Another feature I want to point out to you, if you notice right here it says all changes have been saved. When you type into Google Docs or any of these documents, changes are automatically saved. You don't have to go to File and save it. As a matter of fact, it doesn't even give you the option of saving. It saves as it goes. So if I were to change this and edit it and I just said welcome to Google, it's going to say welcome to Google. So in a sense, it's almost the same thing as having a wiki. Anybody who has access to this document can come in here and change it at any time. All right. I'm going to pull this one up. This is a document that we have already created in another group, and you can see sort of what the finished product looks like. Okay, I'm going to come back to my original one. Now, once you get to this point, you can go to File, Download As, and we want to save it as a Word file. You can just save it onto your desktop or into a folder. But before I do that, I want to get rid of these comments. So I'm going to come over here to the side, and I'm going to hit Delete and delete these comments, so that when I do save it as Word, it won't include my comments over here on the side. So now I've got a clear document. I can go to File, Download As, Word, and I want to save file as Microsoft Word. That's the default. Click OK. You see down here at the bottom corner, right corner, it says downloads complete. My document's up here. I want to double click it. And you want to make sure you can enable editing so you can complete the process. And here's my document. I can go to File, Save As. I'm just going to save it as whatever it says, Untitled Document 3. Click Save. And I'll just minimize all this stuff here. Come to my desktop. Here's my untitled document at the top. Double click it. And there you go. You got your completed document. So you can work on this as a group, and then one of the group members can save it, complete it, print it, store it, whatever, and it can be presented to the teacher as a final product. Or another feature that you might want to use this for is it's also a good way for collaboration with parents or students at home. So you can use this document tool for announcements. You can use it to post lessons, or you can use it as a discussion board or a questioning board. If parents want to post questions, you just name or you can do several documents. You can have one document that acts as a questioning forum for students, one document that acts as a questioning forum for parents. So it's a fantastic way for you to collaborate with parents or students throughout the year or throughout the semester. But again, don't forget, they need to have a Gmail account, and they need to be added to the document as a shared user. All right? So play around with it. You'll find that there are a lot more useful tools or options that the Google Documents can be used for. And I'm sure if you play around with it long enough, you'll come to enjoy it. This is Jeff Davidson, Clinton High School, signing out.